Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this dehumidifier. This features a 34 pint reservoir and good for 2,500 square feet dehumidifying. All right, probably just gonna put this on the floor here. It's not super heavy, but it does weigh a little bit, so. Right, let's get that out right there. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Nothing else in the box there. Okay, so right on top we have, features a little filter here, so air passes. It pulls the air in through one side and goes over the coils, and that causes the dehumidification process. So this will filter out your dust and stuff. That's nice. You can clean that. So this is some pull moisture. It's pretty important to not get have a whole lot of moisture in your house, as that can cause black mold issues, which can be a serious health problem. So not something that you want to deal with there. Let's see if I can't pull the tank out. So this also, it's got these little bitty stickers here to hold my tank on there. And this can be, you can empty it either with the tank or have it have a hose there piping somewhere. So on the back here it says continuous drainage hose instructions. Do not fold or bend the drain hose, and you definitely want to go having this, actually, if you are use the hose option, you want it draining like outside or somewhere, or down into an actual drain, but not just let it run into a bucket or something like that, because it'll just continue to pump out the water there. I'm just going to put this on the floor. This little table is pretty strong, but I don't want to put too much weight on it, as this thing is have a little bit of weight to it. And we can just open that up. The reservoir just opens, and there we go. All right, this actually seems, maybe I misread that. Oh, it removes up to 30 pints of water. So, okay, it can remove up to a certain amount per 24 hours or whatever. And that's not the volume of, isn't 5 gallons. This is just a little smaller tank here. It's actually 0.66 gallons. So a little more than half a gallon. Yank and plug cord. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in, get this all set up. So here it does have this little drainage cord. So if you needed a longer thing, you could run a hose out. I would just probably we have another dehumidifier. We're going to run this one as well though, and just have that. This automatically shuts off, so it's not going to overflow. And then these are super easy to take out. You just pull this out when it stops, and then you can just go dump your water and start it again. So I live in a pretty high humidity area, and it can cause some issues. You definitely don't want to mess around with black mold. So I usually like to show how long the cords are when I do unboxings. I think it's kind of important. A lot of times you just get some short little cord, and I prefer the longer ones. This one appears to be, probably about 6 or 7 feet long, so that's pretty good there. On top we have power, speed, settings, and timer, and I can go ahead and I'll show you guys how to do that. It's got wheels on the bottom also, so we can just roll this around. It is Energy Star rated as well, so that's nice. So you know it's not going to be using a ton of electricity because everything's way more expensive now. I'm going to go ahead and get this set up. We'll let it run for a bit, and we'll show you how to work the buttons on here and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. Well, friends, it's already the next day, and this is full. It has this little light on there, indicator that it is full, and it'll turn off. So if I try to turn the power on and run it, it's not going to let me because it is full. And this, just remove this container from the back. Pulls out right there, and there's our water already. So that was quick. I'm going to go dump this real fast, and then we'll show you the other features. Well, you can attach the hose also right here in the bottom. It has this little portion right here. Just put your hose on there, and if you wanted to, if you had a drain or something, you could run this out there. Just make sure it doesn't go up like this, but it goes straight out the back, and then you could drain it into a drain or something like that. I just have this. I just use this because I don't have a drain on there. Also, you have your filter is right here. Pull that out. Make sure you keep this clean. This will collect dust and stuff like that. Keep your thing functioning correctly. And then you can just slide that back right up inside there. Just like that. Thing snaps back into place. And then we can turn it on. It's really quiet. It doesn't make a lot of noise. Power turns it on. You can set your speed to high. That's high right there. Or low. Settings. You can have a timer. Each one of these is for an hour, and it'll run for that long if you set it for. So power. And let's see, timer. So if you did that, it would count down to the time and then turn on, or if you wanted to turn it off at a certain time in an hour, you can set it like that, and it would work as also, I believe. Settings. So you turn it on, and then you want a certain humidity for it to stop at. Then you can set it to whichever one you want. CO is constantly on, and then you have these ones here. You can run through your cycle. I think it stops at a certain humidity level. It'll only run till that 50% or whatever. And that tells you right now, I believe, what the humidity level is that it's at. So, okay, like I said, this is super quiet. Just barely hear it. Works nicely. It pulled all that water out in a few hours from my house. So, yeah, I like that it's Energy Star rated, quiet and efficient, and just a nice little dehumidifier. So thanks for watching this unboxing video, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.